Big boy. There's my daddy. Say bye-bye, big boy. Buenos dias. So I finished doing my makeup. I hate my eyebrows, but what can you do? And my hair's up. This is how I went to sleep. I put gel in it because I washed my hair last night. So I put gel in it, and so it's still wet. Now I'm gonna bring it down so you guys can see how crazy my hair is when I take it down from the bun. It's still a little wet. Look at it. It's crazy. I feel like, ooh, but look at the curls. I have to always fix it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a bad hair day. I look like Shirley Temple. Short and curled hair. Oh my gosh. Well, let me fix it a little more. I don't think it looks too bad. What do you guys think? I'm trying to look in the camera, in the mirror. See myself in the camera. It's like kind of cold and windy. This kid is here. She just finished watching Mickey Mouse House Clubhouse. Woo woo! Yay! It is supposed to rain today. Like yesterday, it rained that night. Gracias. And today, look, I'm gonna show you outside. This is the outside world right now. Right? Looking pretty good, pretty good. But it's kind of cold. And today they had stuff in Governor's Island, like for kids. It's like parks and just a lot of grass, and they had face painting and dancing. But this is gonna rain like at 1, 2 o'clock. Boy Toy's working, so I'm like, I don't think we're gonna go anywhere. Even though I don't want to stay home, but Memorial Day weekend sucks. Hey. Ziana, up. Pee-pee in the potty. Ziana. 1, 2, up, camina, up, walk. Pull your pants down. Baja tus pantalones. Baja tus pantalones. Pull down your pants. She did pee in her diaper. It's not funny. I don't want to potty train anymore. I give up. She doesn't learn. She doesn't learn. Get naked. Oh. What do you want? Ma? Not for you. Oh, it's kind of nasty. She licks it like a cat. She goes like, nasty. Oh yeah. Huh? So ladies and gentlemen, Ziana, I'm done. Wait, I can't do all this. Done. Oh my God! Did you guys hear that? I'm done. Live chatting. Ah! I'm live broadcasting, guys. Say hello to my vlog camera. Emily Stouts. Pirate King, Brianna Lynn. I know you followed me on Twitter. Inspire384. Destiny Renee. Bye, Destiny. Oh God. Flora. Say hi, Flora G. Adelie Love. Oh my gosh. So I was just giving. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I was just giving Adelie Love some boy advice, and I loved it. I'm like a little schoolgirl. Like I don't have new boys that I talk to now because I'm Boy Toy. Fortunately, unfortunately, I'm kidding. So I live vicariously through my amigas. So if any of you guys have advice, need advice, let me know. I love giving it. I just don't like taking it. Ziana, there's no more in there. Mama. There's a lot more in there, but I just don't want to open it for you.
It's you.
Aww. You want everybody to kiss her? Mwah. Aww. Okay, put her to bed. Go put her to Mimi. She wants to go Mimi. Aww. Okay, Ziana. Libro quieres leer? What book do you want to read? ¿Cuál? This one, or this one? ¿Cuál? That one? Which one? Pick one. Come on. That one? Okay. Let's go. Vamos a leer. Oh, look at her. Let's go. Hey guys, so I freaking rushed out the house because, okay, we're deciding to go to Governor's Island, which is like an island that have a lot of activities for the kids and family stuff. So look over here. Looks all gorgeous, like it's not gonna rain. And now, look over there. So we're taking a huge risk on meeting Boyd's Fight in the city right now. And hopefully it doesn't rain on our parade, because that will really, really suck. Guys, look at Times Square today. It is packed. We're not getting down here though. Woo! There's my dad. I don't think he saw me. Oye, lindo. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah. Ew! Instead of coming to me and giving me a kiss, he goes straight over there.
My beautiful all right, gentlefolk. Let's play a game, and I already know what she forgot. Betsy gets mad at me.
Why are you like? No.
I don't know. I feel like I want you more in there. Okay. That's all. I'm just saying. I feel like you should be in more in there.
And I'm driving, guys, so you might see my road rage. But yeah.
There's a little thing you don't know about Betsy. She expects everyone to work with common sense and think in her brain. And she gets mad if you don't. A little bit mad. She like turns into a Incredible Hulk and rages out. So today I gave her the task of just grabbing what I asked for. I left one thing out, not purposely, but I thought about it like 15 minutes later after she left. So I'm gonna see what Betsy left out. I know what she left out. I'm gonna see if Betsy used common sense.
Oh, I already know.
What'd you forget?
Your boxers?
No.
Oh, wait. Socks?
Nope.
Oh, you have socks.
One important accessory that I stress.
Your glasses.
No, I know you forgot my glasses. It's okay, it's not sunny.
Something that you stress.
Yep.
Let's go.
I know you forgot about it.
You have underwear, socks. I got your shirt, your pants, your sneakers. I got your hats.
Okay, there's one last accessory. Just pretend you're dressing me right now.
Ooh.
Let's start from the bottom.
Wait, where does that do? I make a left or straight?
Huh?
Left or straight?
You should be able to go straight.
No, I think it's that way.
No, it's straight.
Yeah, it's saying that way. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Look.
Straight and take the service road and jump on.
Yeah, that way. Make a right that way.
Oh. Okay, so let's start with the, what do I put on first?
Your wife beater.
No, let's say I'm bare naked right now.
It's like facing down.
Sorry. Let's say I'm bare naked.
Can you do it like I always do, like right here? Sheesh.
Okay, let's say I'm bare naked right now. I just got out of the shower.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. It's gonna be a long vlog.
Okay, put my underwear on.
Hey.
What's the next thing I put on? Pants.
Okay.
What holds my pants up?
Belt. You don't have a belt?
Nope.
Oops.
Seriously, you forgot it, didn't you?
Yeah.
So?
No. You didn't say bring a belt.
So let's play a game next time. Let's see what Bobby remembers. Oh, a jet ski.
Oh.
Let's see how mad Betsy gets next time that I forget something that should be logical.
I would never get mad at you, honey bun. Why would I do such a thing?
The moral of today's story is, I guess not everyone plays Betsy's game. Even Betsy. Signing off.
It's 3:40, right? The thing at Governor's Island ends at 5. This garage closes at 7. Boy still wants to go. So if we don't pick up the car at 7, like it's not gonna be good for us. But he still wants to go. I don't want to go because I don't like pushing it, you know. There's so many cars. Oh my gosh. It's ridiculous. You guys, this is like Water Street area. Busy. So we just paid for parking. We have to be back to That's where the ferry is, guys. And then that's that big window one. That's where you would go to Staten Island. Staten Island is not a borough. I'm right here. Right here. Don't cry. You excited? Whee! Yeah, you guys, this is where you go to get on the ferry for Governor's Island. I'm like a virgin. I've never done this before. Huh?
Staten Island.
Oh, I mean, Governor's Island. Ooh. Wait, can you push? I can't push it. Ooh. She liked that. Aww. It's like a little song for you guys. Let me show you guys the view. I don't know what anything is. That's what?
That's all Brooklyn.
That's Brooklyn right there? You'll be our map, our guide tutor, guide tour?
Tour guide?
Tour guide. Tour guide. I knew that. Yay! Sienna!
I see butt crack.
I see butt crack. Sienna! Hi!
Ready to go on her first boat ride?
Oh, her very first boat ride. Sailor Z. Sailor baby. Baby sailor.
Into a storm.
Whose fault is that?
Weather lady.
It's Babo.
It's okay. We just paid for a $14 boat ride. I mean, a $4 boat ride and a $15 parking spot.
That's great. That's
It's a life of a
expensive it is. That's the life. No, that's the life of a New Yorker. Gorgeous day, stormy day. Gorgeous day, stormy day.
Where are we going?
So cool because I've never been here ever. So I'm experiencing this with you guys for the first time. So special, right, babe?
What's up?
Experiencing Governor's Island with everyone for the first time.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, the family thing ended. So we're here for no reason.
We're here to take in the culture, the history of this island.
What island? What is this?
This
What was
is Governor's Island. This was at one point in time a naval base.
Oh, really?
Yes. This is very historic, dude. Come on, Miss New York.
Wait,
You want to go to the restroom or you want to keep walking by it?
wait. So these were all park boats here?
Well, these were all buildings here. You couldn't really drive boats on land.
No, but
That's the tough part about that. They don't have wheels.
no, I meant like, but boats used to be here. This used to be water.
Yeah, and then this used to be a Coast Guard base right after it was a naval base. But that shut down not too long ago, like in the 90s or 2000s. I just keep talking about it. I'll talk to my daughter.
I gotta go pee. We are going. Sienna, be careful. Oh my god, this kid. She hit the wall yesterday at my mom's house. She's like, no, at my brother's house. She's like, boom.
That's a BETSYV moment.
Yeah, that was definitely a BETSYV. She pulled the BETSYV. When you do something silly, we call it pulling it a BETSYV.
Whoa.
Watch her. You see? It's okay. Yay! Woo!
Go, go.
Yay! Big girl. Crazy.
Don't raindrop.
Great.
Don't not a raindrop.
Nice.
Come on, stop.
Stop. Stop.
That's all it does right now.
Oh my god. Was a castle. William's Castle. That's what it said in the front. So maybe. Here.
What am I doing? Taking a picture of you guys?
Vlog. I'm taking pictures right now for herself. And she's just the cutest little thing. Right, baby girl?
Look at the city, guys.
Cheese. Smile. I'm gonna get you.
Smile.
Smile. Photo. Happy. Happy. Can we go there, please? Can we go there after the bike? I'm like done. I love old school houses. Like they're so gorgeous. Old school.
Colonial.
Oh, colonial.
This is not hip hop. Old school hip hop.
This ain't hip
This
hop.
is not the Flashback Fridays. Old school disco. This is colonial. It's called historic.
Blah blah blah.
Bro, I love this. This is
I
like
love it.
this
Yeah, I
is
love
my
this.
stuff.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? What? This is where all my senseless knowledge comes in handy. Oh, you're dumb. So you've been cool. We can have a date night
Oh,
or date afternoon.
Mommy. Whoa.
Right there.
43, so 53. 3, 13. So you're gonna be back at 13 or 10. Diana, look. She is such a crybaby. Wait, I can barely reach the pedal.
It's all right. I'm good at this.
So I get to do this and relax. Enjoy the view. It's raining, guys, by the way.
It's okay. We're enjoying ourselves.
Hey, Diana, look. Mira.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Daddy's gonna be.
Wait, these wheels actually work?
Yes.
These things?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
Why is she crying? Pedal really fast. If we pedal really fast, it goes really fast. Oh, I don't want to go in the water. Oh wait, do you know that?
Yeah.
Did you guys know that if you pedal fast, you go fast? Okay, don't get crazy. This is so much fun.
Ooh, is he having fun?
You had to bother her.
Where's your cookie? Where's your cookie?
You're so dramatic.
Wait, it's not about a workout. It's about enjoying yourself. That was not that big. We're not gonna miss something.
Wait, what? I don't get it.
We can just enjoy ourselves twice.
I am enjoying myself. Oh, but I like pedaling fast. So cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Say hello. Hello. She's like about
Okay,
time,
you ready,
guys.
Scaredy Minetti? Oh. Here.
Yay, right here with Mama and Dada.
Big girl. Big girl. Big girl. This don't even have a clip.
It seems like Z likes this now.
Going over the bumps. We're going over the bumps.
Oh my gosh.
We're going over the bumps. I take you off the wheel. We're going over the bumps.
Do you feel me turning it or something?
No, I'm the driver. This is for the fake drivers.
I wish I lived like this, like with just bikes, no cars.
Can I say hi to everybody?
Say hi. That's so cool. Babe, I wish we lived in this time where it was just bikes. Oh, great.
Drive-through? Is there a drive-through?
Babe, I didn't finish my sentence.
Oh, sorry.
I wish we lived back in this time where it was just bikes. And this is our house, like, oh, let's park right here and go inside, and nobody would steal your bike.
Look at the tree house. That'd be nice. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. It's like an island town. See the tree
I love
house?
it here.
This is the play yard.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna show you a quick exhibit over here. That was pretty cool.
So cool. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Look, it's made all of plastic cups.
Oh my god.
That's pretty dang cool.
Do you see the plastic cups, guys?
That's really cool.
Ooh. I wonder if it lights up. Oh, they're working on more cups.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Too fast and too furious, I guess, huh?
Okay, enough with the bell.
I just like it.
Hello, mate. Nobody waved at him. Nobody's waving at him when he raises his bell.
Let's whip it. Ready? We're going to the e-brake.
Stop. You're freaking me out, dude. He's too fast in this.
Jeez Louise in heaven. Here we go.
Look at this workout he's about to endorse. Oh my god.
Yeah. Can I get a little help?
Oh, I forgot I have to help. Oh my, this is hard. This is big.
Bad idea. Smart idea going downhill. The cannons.
Yay, Zia, you're not helping.
Hi.
You happy?
Just like Taco Bell. We can just drive by and
Throw the garbage out.
oh god.
What?
I found the star. Super Mario Nintendo 64. I found the star.
Is that it? Really?
Woohoo! It's the Mario.
He's really hyper today. That's the star. It's the Mario. It's the Mario. What are you doing?
I felt like I was on the side of a ship.
You can go in there?
Please dismount bikes beyond this point.
Aw, wrong way, dude. No?
This island is not that big.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, stop! It's so bumpy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Boom! Shit, this way I want to go.
Another hill. Oh my gosh, babe, you're so good at this.
I know, I'm great! I'm awesome!
Look at the life of that ferry, babe. Oh. Let's start
Yeah, but
going.
you know, that's gonna be one ferry.
Yeah, but let's start dropping it off. We made it.
We made it. We're not gonna get attacked by zombies.
Zombies will not be eating us. Holy crap. Look how bad it is. Oh wow. We made it, guys. We made it. Come on, mommy. We made it. Zombies aren't gonna eat us. Soaked.
Lisa, jump.
Yeah.
Your face.
Oh, it's okay, baby. She went down that huge thing. I know, Daddy's evil. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you? We are we're on our way to BJ's and Applebees. I think we're gonna go to Applebees, definitely. Oh, then we're gonna go to Target because Target's just like amazing, and we're gonna see what we can buy because why not spend all his hard-earned cash, you know? And yeah. Oh my gosh, did I tell you? B, her name is B. She follows me on Twitter, and she's an amiga of mine, of my channel. She uses the phrase "girl, girl, 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 girl."
You're welcome, B.
That's amazing. Yeah, he actually coined it. I give him full credit for it, but then he never used it again. So I'm like, I'm taking it. It's my phrase now. So, girl, girl.
It's not like a T-shirt that I leave hanging in the closet. Well, he's not wearing it. I can wear it, huh? Well, he's not using the word, so
you have to use it. No, you have to use it daily, or you know, a couple times a week, and you lost that.
If you don't use it, you lose it.
Ha! Boom, boom.
No, that's actually a phrase.
Was it a joke?
Nobody's laughing.
They're laughing. You know, you have like air is going in your lungs. I mean, your throat. And it's like, yeah, that's what happened right now.
Do you know when you have air go into your lungs? I'd be a little worried if you didn't. This is my life, guys.
You know what I meant. Look at his hair. You look like James Dean. Ah, you don't know who that is, do you?
I know who James Dean is.
Okay, so why did you give me that look like?
Because I wanted to make a Jimmy Dean reference. You know the sausage sandwich in the movie?
Oh. Rude. Talk about rude. You guys. I have to hold up his jeans because they keep falling because of the belt that he forgot.
Jeans.
Can't. He forgot his belt at home.
Who forgot his belt?
So I have to help him pull up his pants. Look. He's sagging. Come on. You suck at this.
I don't remember my thing either. I made this.
Belt. You
see if I find another one.
Oh, look at all the belts, guys. Emergency belt stop. Emergency belt stop.
Emergency belt shopping.
Oh, belt shop. Woo! Break. Look at that belt. Break.
Yeah, that hurt my back.
Oh. Shake.
I cannot believe this.
This is Craig Machado. He's an artist, and like we're friends, but we're not friends. Like we know each other online, and this is so crazy. We bumped into each other in Apple.
What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? I watch
I'll
your
leave this link
vlog
below.
all the time.
We do.
I swear to God, I do.
I'm a
I
fan.
see you. I see your daughter. Like everybody just. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna leave the link to his music below. Like it's amazing. Because I'm so popular and everyone loves me. Applebees gave me a $10 coupon to try the new quesadilla burger. So that's what I'm gonna do. Try it. I have to Instagram it and then tag them and all that stuff. What are you getting?
I got a glass of water.
A what?
I'm having a water diet.
You're on your water diet?
Yeah.
What do you, no, seriously, what are you gonna eat?
Yeah. I'm surprising myself.
Why?
I got Russian roulette going on up here.
Why?
Whatever I spout out.
Huh?
Whatever I spout out.
I don't get it.
I have a few ideas of food that I want,
Uh-huh.
but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna fire them out. I don't want to say that I'm gonna have this, and then I talk myself out of it. I'm just gonna fire it off on the thing.
I like it because every time we go out, he's like, I don't know what I want. I don't know if I want this or I want that, and then it's like our food never comes. But I like that, babe. You're just gonna, as soon as he comes, you're just gonna
That's it.
poop it out. He's gonna poop it out his mouth. Right then?
Yep.
Poopity poop. What are you gonna eat, little lady?
You want wonton tacos?
What? Leche, that's your leche. That's what you're gonna eat? Your milk? You drink it though. Just don't miss the leche.
Or if you let it sit out too long, it curdles and then you eat it.
Ew. What we always get. This is the wonton tacos. Amazing. Boneless chicken wings and spinach artichoke. Artichoke?
Spinach and artichoke. And artichoke.
Whatever. I'm to eat this, guys.
These are old. I've had numerous times.
Oh, geez.
I love these things so. Oh, she's getting put on for the first time.
Nobody cares.
Mom, it's your favorite burger. All over your mouth. Cheese still dripping from your lips.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Hi, Coco.
Ooh, that's that next future generation iPhone invention. You know what I mean. Hello.
You want to hear something funny?
What?
I knew exactly what you just said in your head.
You did?
What you meant to say.
He knows me so well.
She meant to say that next level-ish.
Yeah. Hello. We're hanging out.
I told you, we're not going to talk now. We're eating dinner. It's rude. And I will call you back later. No, it's rude. Don't talk on the phone. Hang up.
Valerie, the good girl. Look, she's trying to do what you do. Yeah. Diana, esa cara. That face.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Yay, good girl. Good girl.
Cheers.
Okay, no mas. She's like, entertained you for like a minute, Dad. Enough.
What are you going to do?
We're at Target.
Yep. Exactly.
Your turn.
Banana.
Whoa. Do it to her. Ready?
Smile.
Say it to her.
No, say I'm sorry for being snotty.
When was I snotty?
Down there.
When? Doing what?
In Applebees and in Target.
I'm not a snot.
You were. You were snotty to me.
I was upset that he paid for a $20 meal that he didn't even eat, so the rest was thrown out.
Yeah,
That's it.
It's thrown out.
So that's why. So it's not being snotty.
You were snotty to me.
I'm sorry.
I work for my money. Work very
Give my dang quarter. Thank you. Mike Ike's is my favorite, guys. This is all you get for 25 cents. Payless, the most most amazing store ever.
Why is stuff my mom watches your vlogs? I don't know what size she is. Is 5 too big? Doesn't think so.
They're just perfect, I think. Well, they're good.
They're way too big. She's only wearing for the summer.
Right here, no, these. Yes, they're too big?
It's way too big. Let's put them back in here. We're gonna get.
As Patriots do. Oh, she put it on herself. Sienna. No. No mas.
Mama.
No. Oh my.
No, why?
Stop. You're gonna. Ziana Elise.
Yeah, come on, you wanna pay?
Boss.
Tiana, who's the boss?
You guys. Aww.
No, there's only one boss.
Mama boss.
Tiana,
Mama boss.
who's the boss? No, there's only one boss.
Mama's the boss. Good girl.
Who's the boss?
We let the men allow to
No.
think that they're the boss, but they're not.
Ziana, who's the boss?
Mama.
Ziana, who has all the say in this family?
Mama.
No.
Mama's the boss, right?
Yep. She says stop, brakes.
This time we did really good at BJ's, right? Tell them we did good at BJ's. We got only Kashi.
No sense over there.
What?
It's all conditioner.
He's still on the hunt for his shampoo.
Over there.
Okay, well next, come on. Then we got milk and macaroni salad because tomorrow we're going to a little party. I don't think it's a barbecue, I think it's just a party. And you're coming too? We can't leave you behind. No, we can't. We had such a great day with you guys. Thank you for joining us on our first time at Governor's Island. Boy toy! Come, let's say our goodnights. It's been a long day. I have like 68 pieces of video that I have to edit right now. It's 11 o'clock. So yeah, this video, I'm not sure if it's gonna be long or short, but yeah, we're ending it right now. Come here now. Give everyone a little smooch.
That's right.
A little smooch. Why?
You wanna brush your teeth tonight?
Good night, baby. Good. Say good night. Oh, make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Good night. Buenas noches. Say mwah.